Hey guys, it's Miss Maskery here with a school information update. Today is Wednesday, August 25th. The first big piece of information is that we are ready for the second round of student item material pickup. This will happen on Monday, August 31st. That's this coming Monday. So please plan to come to Mableton Elementary School to pick up your child's second round of at-home learning materials. If you are only coming for materials, you can come between 1 and 4 p.m. If you will also be picking up meal kits, please plan to come between 4 and 6 p.m. This time you will drive through our car rider lane and you will remain in your car. We will bring the items to you. What should you expect in your learning materials kit? Well, just like the first kit, you should expect to see resources that your child will use to help support online learning at home. The materials that come home in the second kit will be used to help teach the next 3 weeks worth of standards. Please keep these materials from the first and second kits in your student learning space. It's very important that they will have access to these materials during our learning time. During the third week of school, we will also begin our small group instruction. This is where the bulk of our learning happens. So just as before, you will come into CTLS and you will click on Digital Sessions. Now normally we choose the daily tile. That's where we are all able to meet together as a group, and we will still do this during our whole group learning time. You will also now go into the small group tiles. You will receive an email on Sunday night that tells you when your child will be meeting for guided reading, guided math, and ESOL. Please make sure that your child is in the group ready to go at their scheduled time. Just as I said before, this is where the bulk of your child's learning will happen. This is where we're able to target their current level and help support them to make them stronger readers, writers, and mathematicians. If we have a one-on-one conference, you can meet me in this review tile. Now, our tiles will look a little bit different for our own page, but you can still see the same tabs at the top. Lesson is for our whole group. Small group is for reading and math support, as well as ESOL, and review is for one-on-one conferencing. All right, we have seen during the first few weeks of school that we need to have a backup plan and then a backup plan for that backup plan. So our plan A, what we will always plan to do, is meet in CTLS Learn. If you are not able to get into CTLS Learn, please look on the Announcements tab. It should automatically populate as soon as a session goes live. So you should see the link there as soon as we start a session. If for any reason you do not see a session there, or if we are all not able to go into CTLS, please check for an email to a direct Zoom link. That could be in CTLS if it's working, or outside of CTLS if it is not. Now we also know that we may need to have a plan C for some day. Plan C will be to check your email for a list of activities and assignments that your child will complete. They could be activities and assignments on CTLS using this Assignments tab, but more likely they will be in Seesaw. All right, when we have days where we're not able to meet together in CTLS, I will post to let you know when we will come back on and try again. So I will probably do that through email, but I will also always post it on our announcement section in CTLS. The last thing that I wanted to talk about is grading in first grade. Now, we have been doing lots of assignments to get ready for this school year, to begin using the different platforms, and now we are ready to begin collecting grades. So, kindergarten and first grade use the same grading scale, a 3-2-1 scale. 1 means that your child has not yet met the standard. 2 means that they are showing progress towards mastery. 3 means that they are meeting the standard. Now, you may even see a 3+. A 3+ means that they have gone above and beyond the standard by thinking critically or by connecting information from other subjects. How do we collect our end of course grade or our end of quarter grade? So instead of basing our whole grade on one assignment or even just on our grade book, we use a preponderance of information. So we will use our grade book in tandem with observations, conversations that we've had with your child, and anecdotal notes. So it's really going to be a whole picture look at how your child is doing with those standards. All right, guys, that's it for our announcements. I do want you to know that I have loved getting to know your children over the last week and a half, especially during these ski assessments, which I did not think I was going to love. It is so fun to get some one-on-one time to really get to know your kids. I know that we have a funny start to our school year, and it's very different than we've ever had before, but I know I can feel that we're going to have a really good year together. All right, guys, I'll see you soon. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'm just an email or a text message away. Bye, guys.